This might be the first real AI use case for office workers, because the payoff is brutally simple: fewer tabs, fewer tiny chores, less glue work. Google just rolled out Workspace Intelligence, and the interesting part is not that Gemini got smarter. It is that Workspace is being turned into one connected layer that can understand your docs, chats, files, calendar, and current projects together. That matters because a lot of office work is not deep work. It is tab work. Open the email. Find the spreadsheet. Check the chat thread. Hunt for the old doc. Build the meeting. Paste the summary. Repeat until your brain feels like a browser extension. Google's pitch is that you ask once inside chat, and the system works across your tools for you. On its own blog, Google calls Ask Gemini in Chat a new command line for work. It says the assistant can generate docs and slides, schedule meetings, find files from a description, and connect to outside tools like Asana, Jira, and Salesforce. That is proof point 1. Proof point 2, Google also says teams can build skills for recurring procedures, including invoice review workflows that compare new invoices against prior ones in your inbox. That is much more concrete than AI helps you write. That is AI removing a repeatable office step. TechCrunch's same-day write-up adds the practical detail. Workspace Intelligence draws on Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Drive, Docs, Slides, and Sheets, with admin controls over what data the AI can access. So who should care? Managers, analysts, operations teams, founders, assistants, and anyone whose job became coordination theater. Verdict: the real upgrade here is not better conversation. It is less tab hopping. If this works, the new office habit is asking once, checking the result, and moving on.